Since 1892, Tindell's has been trusted by East Tennessee contractors to supply them everything from truss to trim. Our millwork shop is located at our Halls campus. Since the mid-90s, our skilled team has crafted interior and exterior doors for our customers. Once a sales representative submits your order, we strive for a 48-hour turnaround time. Our specialists get started right away by selecting the chosen slabs, jamb, and trim material. On our interior line, we offer hollow core and solid core slabs in both wood and MDF options. Slabs are loaded onto an automated machine for precise hinge and knob placement. From there, the jamb is squared around the door and securely fastened. Finally, trim is attached, and the order is carefully packaged for shipment. On our exterior door line, we offer wood, aluminum, and fiberglass options. If the door includes glass, the slab is sent to a window cutting machine where openings are made for full, 3/4, and half views. The slab then moves to the borehole machine, where the holes are carved out for doorknobs and deadbolts. From there, the door is taken to a window table where the glass insert is secured and optional simulated divided light, or SDL bars, are applied by hand. Finally, the slab moves to a finishing table where the hinges, jambs, and brick mold are attached. It's a streamlined process where every door built reflects our commitment to quality and craftsmanship.